Hi, my name's Tammy, and I talk about hoarding issues. And this is tip number 6 for youth living in the hoard, hashtag YLITH. And tip number 6 is ask someone if you can do laundry at their place. You may want to consider seeing if you can do laundry at maybe a friend's house, or maybe you have a friend or relative nearby, or if you attend a church, maybe someone there would allow you to do laundry at their place and help you out with that. When I was a teen, I was able to do laundry at my grandma's, and I did a couple loads a week when I was there, and that really helped because I had a limited amount of clothes that I was willing to wear. So it helped me to have a place to be able to do laundry. So again, this is tip number 6, which is ask someone if you can, excuse me, do laundry at their place. And this is for youth living in the hoard. And remember, YLITH, you matter too.